Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad from NMWatch and we are back with another unboxing of a few Seikos, right? So, but you could only see one box here, and yeah, before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my San Martin SN007 version 1. This is the BSH edition. So I've been thinking of letting this go, but you know what, something about it just makes me wonder, maybe I should have just keep it, right? So anyway, let's cue the intro. Alright guys, so let's get back to this unboxing of a few Seikos. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, boom. Alright, so there we go. So we've got a few Seikos in here. Wow, this is from what, 2013. This one also on for 2012. Wow, that's a long time. So basically what we have here is my buddy Mr. Nazri, so from my workplace. So he asked me, hey man, I have a few Seikos and I have a few watches, and I wanted you to take a look at it. Some of it has dead batteries and stuff. So yeah, so he wanted me to see what I could do to revive these watches, right? So but yeah, still that's quite a scary thing because I'm not really that skillful watchmaker. But anyway, let's go through one by one, right? So this is the watch number 1, and you see here that this is an integrated style bracelet, right? So you can see this. There's no luck. Of course, there is some luck, but we have this, bracelet in maybe 12 millimeters luck width. But yeah, I've never seen this Seiko 5 before. And yeah, you can see that the problem with this particular watch is that it looks like it is foggy, right? So there's some fog under the crystal there, so this one might have some water inside it. Maybe I would be able to take off the case back and then take off the crown and maybe wipe it out and put a new gasket on it, but we will never know. But yeah, still I have no idea what particular model is this. So if you guys know, please do let me know in the comment section below. But of course we have that 7S26 movement in there. So yep, I have no idea what model number is this, but of course I will, if when I know, so I will leave the model name here, and yeah, for you guys to maybe consider getting this for yourself, right? So maybe this is vintage already, I'm not really sure about that, but looking from the card, it's like what, 10 years back. So yeah, that's good because it is still working. So yeah, that's Seiko 5 number 1. So watch number 1 is a Seiko 5. Right, so next up is another Seiko 5, which again I've never seen before, and this one has I don't know, man, it looks like it has that, wow, pretty scratched up crystal here, and yeah, it looks foggy as well. It looks like there's some fog inside there as well, but I don't know, maybe it has some water inside it, but we will never know if we don't take a look at it, right? So yeah, I can't really see any rust whatsoever inside from this case back. Again, I have no idea what model number is this. Yeah, let's just check if the movement is still working. Right, so that is definitely working, but I'm not really sure about the accuracy of this thing, but yeah, still we're gonna be checking this out. If you guys of course know the model number, so please do leave a comment, but of course I will be searching for the model number as well. Right, so that is watch number 2. The next Seiko that we're going to check out is this quartz chronograph number, which is actually the battery is dead, right? So gonna be taking off the case back, right? So and see if I can swap out the battery and revive it, right? So because if you guys know, if you have a battery operated watch and when you leave the battery dry, or the dead battery inside the watch, it might damage your movement. So that is why I told my friend, I think you should just, if you don't want to use it, you should just take the battery off from inside the watch. But yeah, you know what, he he trusted me, so that's why he he gave me this, not gave us, he lent me this watches for me to take a look at, right? So, and check out this cool dial, guys. I've never seen anything like this before, from Seiko. So if you guys know again the model number, please do let me know in the comment section below, because Seiko tends to not put any model number on their watches, so I have no idea what this is. That what 7094 is it, or is it 71940AYO? I have no idea what that is. So anyway, of course I will do some research and yep, let's replace the battery. Alright, so next up is not a Seiko but rather a Longines, right? So this one, he said that he got it from his father. His father gave it to him. I'm not really sure what was the occasion, but of course when you receive something from your father, you tend to keep it. You're not gonna be messing about with it, right? So again, battery operated Longines, and it is dead. And yeah, I'm gonna try to take off the case back and see what are the batteries used by this watch, right? So, but cool case back, guys. So you see that the case back is actually curved, right? So that is interesting, right? So I've never seen a watch like this before. This is called Longines Evidenza. So you see there, and all stainless steel EFCO Longines Swiss made. I have no idea what are those markings for, but yeah, still we will be doing a full review of this thing, right? So cool looking watch, I must say. It looks like there is a bit of a Cartier touch to it, and we have this beautiful Roman numerals here with these 3 subdials, which for me it looks interesting, right? Oh, before I completely forgot, let's see if these things fit me, right? So let's just take off the Saint Martin. Right, so I think the bracelets is just nice. Nope, that's not gonna happen. That is way too tight. So yeah, that's if I am to do a review of this watch, I definitely need to put back in some links, right? So this one, no, again, no, not gonna happen. And what about this chronograph? Yep, that's okay. That's, yeah, I don't have to put any links to it. But this one is using, I think this is a 22 millimeters in lug width, but yeah, still very, very simple class design here. A not a solid end link, but yeah, still. And what about the Longines, right? So let's see if I can pull this off. Yep, that's good. So I can wear this, and I'm not really sure, maybe it looks like it is 19 millimeters, but yeah, check that out, guys. Very, very cool looking watch. Alright, so basically, do wish me luck, right? So because I have no idea how am I going to be restoring these pieces yet as of now. So I'm gonna be taking off the batteries on these two first, and these two, yeah, I'm gonna see if the movement is already have some rust or anything. So but yeah, we will see. And if you guys want to see me operating or taking off the case back, so the case back of these watches, so please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys have any tips whatsoever, of course, please give your comment or professional opinion as well, right? So there you have it, guys, a total of 4 watches unboxing for tonight. And if you guys like this kind of video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.